Our students come from homes in which their parents are working people. They work hard. After-school programs and summer programs, I think, are really a critical component. I look at that as real opportunity time for us to be involved in things that are interesting, engaging, and that benefit them both now and in the future.
They're both opportunities and needs for quality after-school programming, summer programming, and that's especially evident in the areas of science, technology, engineering, and math.
In Vermont, when we talk about STEM, increasingly we're not talking about content knowledge, we're not talking about the kind of thing you could Google on your phone in 15 seconds. We're really talking about a way of thinking. When you have lots of competing commitments and schedules, it's hard to sometimes take out longer blocks of time where you can really engage in a subject deeply and in a hands-on and applied way. These are really thinking skills that are the kinds of skills that we need to be literate citizens.
A big goal of ours in education is to get girls involved in STEM programs. They might not have been encouraged at some point, and these kinds of opportunities allow for that.
When you think about it, it teaches problem solving, it teaches all sorts of important life skills. They're building things, they're using their hands. The mere idea that they say, I'm thinking like an engineer, is awesome.
What it really comes down to is that science, engineering, even mathematics, maybe especially mathematics, and technology are puzzles. They're problem-solving opportunities that children, given the opportunity, just love to engage in.
I built a roller coaster. This thing kept on falling over on the sides, so this kept it stabilized. This is where it gains momentum.
So one of the things that's so powerful about these summer learning opportunities is children can really immerse themselves in a discipline or in a problem or build something and do it over a long period of time and really develop some of those capabilities that we know are so essential. The ability to reason from evidence, the ability to problem solve, and really persist, to stick with it long enough to actually tune it or make it better.
We figured out that if you put them lower onto the rocket, it'll help them fly straighter.
Children who might not sit down and read a textbook will really engage deeply in the subject and take the time to understand a concept because it enables them to do something purposeful.
You want kids to be interested in what they're doing, and through that interest, they'll then want to question and learn and grow. The out-of-school time, whether it's after-school programs or evenings, weekends, whatever it may be, it's a much more relaxed atmosphere, and so hopefully they can really discover more than they would in a classroom.
I think the environment for STEM opportunities is really about students having the ability to be inquisitive and investigate, so communication becomes key. We do have a blend of classroom teachers, paraeducators, community members.
And then she broke the table.
And that's really where the strength of these programs comes from, is about who is leading the activity.
Everybody watch what is happening when more rain hits the middle.
And able to take the activity to a different, much deeper, richer level.
The trick will be to find natural fits to make sure that that learning doesn't leak away.
I like to use the word opportunity gap. There's nothing wrong with children who don't do well in school, except that in my opinion they haven't been given the same opportunities to learn. Certainly the research shows that if we enable all children to have opportunities that are rich and diverse and take place not just in the classroom but in hands-on real-world problems, they often can do things that we didn't think were possible. That's what this is all about.
2, 1. Whoa! Oh, cool! Sounds like we're not.